on our way back. We cannot wait to get home to see Levi and Renee. We're so excited. We have driven more than 4 hours already, probably 5 hours, 4 or 5 hours. And we are getting close to the Idaho border, Montana-Idaho border. We stopped here real quick to do some stretching. We stopped a little while ago in Missoula to get some breakfast. Got some nice like breakfast sandwiches and some coffee at a little cafe that was really cute. And we might stop in Spokane here in a couple hours. We probably won't be ready for lunch by then, maybe just to get gas. And we're just pushing through. We're going to get home by late afternoon to evening. The clouds have been incredible. We got nice blue sky in a lot of spots, but then they have these super low clouds. It's been really fun. It's just like super clear, and then all of a sudden there's just a cloud right in your path. It's pretty awesome. Are you guys doing your yoga? Daddy's doing his yoga. You gotta jump.
You can go like this chair. You can just put your hand on.
Perfect. We made it to Washington. We're just one state away from Levi and Renee.
This is going to be across from Washington to Oregon.
Yes, ma'am. This is the Columbia River again.
Home sweet home.
Yep.
Are we in Oregon in the middle of the river?
Yes.
Okay, good to know.
The state line is technically the center of the river.
Wow. Not yet. We're not to the center of the river yet. There should be a sign here that tells us.
Now we're in Oregon.
We're not quite to the center. Maybe about now.
I'm pretty sure this used to be the original bridge, and there would be cars going both ways on this bridge really close together, and then they built that bridge.
No sign?
We're in Oregon. It's past the middle.
Visitor Center is right there.
Okay. Good to know.
Welcome to Oregon is right there.
Oh, there it is. Thank you.
Welcome to Oregon.
Let me give Levi a hug. Levi, I missed you. What did you get? Can I have a hug? Can you stand up? Can I have a hug? Oh, I missed you. Did you get some good trucks? Yeah. I want to see everything. Oh my goodness. Whoa! All right, you ready? Here we go. Yeah! Is it so cool?